Stop, dog. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm sorry, I have my dog in here right now because she was going after something on the shelf, so just trying to keep her away from that. In today's video, I am going to be filming a night routine. So I'm basically just going to be taking you guys with me through my night and showing you guys what I do. I've been wanting to do one of these videos for quite a while now, so this should be good. You need to chill out. So we're going to start this thing now. So it's about 5 o'clock and right now I'm super hungry for dinner. So usually I will try to distract myself by editing a video, maybe clean my room, doesn't happen that often, or usually I'll go outside and water my plants because this is about the time that I do that. You're such a nerd, dog. Tonight at dinner I had some egg rolls with some rice. Neighbor came over and we decided to go outside and we just kicked around a soccer ball. But my brother decided to ride around my bike in the yard. Don't ask me why, he just did it.
I'm not playing goalie.
My brother decided to kick my ball in the weeds. Instead of finding my ball, he found a t-shirt of his.
She found it. See? That's her ball that that one right there had lost, but he found his t-shirt.
So I'm about to go take a shower and I'm going to show you guys the stuff that I do to get ready for my shower. I make an oatmeal face mask and deep conditioner, so I'm going to show you guys how I made that because it's really helped my skin. So we're just going to quickly go through that. Now I'm going to show you guys how I make my everyday oatmeal face mask. To start off, I add 3 tablespoons of oatmeal into a bowl and then I just drizzle on some honey. After that, I will add some hot water and then I usually let that sit for 15 to 20 minutes. After that is done sitting, I will drain out the excess water into a cup. Moving on to the deep conditioner, I add some apple cider vinegar. I add some apple cider vinegar and a tea bag. Back to the face mask. So now I'm going to transfer the face mask, the mushy oatmeal, into a spice grinder and then I'm going to mash it up. But while I'm mashing it up, I'll just add a little bit of coconut oil in there to make it a bit more of a smooth texture, and also the coconut oil will moisturize your face. So then I'm just going to head downstairs and put that stuff on my face. Now I'm going to put on my oatmeal mask. I like to put on my oatmeal mask before I get in the shower so that it can sit on my face while I take a shower. And then at the end of my shower, I'll usually take it off and I will add my oatmeal tea, apple cider vinegar, honey, deep conditioner, and then I'll just rinse it out. But first, before I apply my mask, I gotta wash off all my makeup. Now I'm gonna apply the mask to my face. I'm just gonna take my 2 fingers and gently and slowly just rub it onto my face. I don't wanna go too fast or otherwise the mask will fall off. But if you go slow, you shouldn't have too much of a problem. I am going to tell you guys that this mask has really helped my skin. I've been using it for about 2 months and it's just made my skin so much smoother, so much more hydrated, and I'm really liking that result. I know from just looking at my skin, I do have some acne and stuff, so my skin may not look very smooth, but this mask has really helped me a lot. Hi! So now I'm gonna take a shower and I gotta go get my clothes, so yeah. This lighting is so bad. I'm out of the shower now, so now I'm just gonna brush my hair and kind of just talk with you guys. My sister's in the shower right now, and after that we will go watch some Survivor. We absolutely love Survivor. We watch it every single night. I know some people think Survivor's like dumb and stuff because a lot of people I talk to like just don't like it, but it's not your problem. Survivor time! So now I'm gonna brush my teeth and you guys are gonna watch me. So now I'm going to show you guys how I do my hair for the next day. I like to do no heat beach waves. I've really been liking those lately, and I found this method that worked pretty well, so I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So I made this spray, and it's a sea salt spray. So I add this into my hair at night before I do my little twisty thing for beach waves. And it really helps give it some really nice texture, and it helps the waves stay in all day. So I think I'm gonna do a video on this. To show you guys how to make it, because I really find this helpful. So I'm gonna start by parting my hair the opposite way, because this will help give it some volume the next day. So after I've parted it, this is when I'm gonna go in with my spray. And I'm just gonna lightly dampen my hair. Ooh, is that getting on the lens? Then I'll just kind of run my fingers through and just get it all around my hair. So that should be good. So now we can start the twisting process. So to start off, I'm going to section off my hair, putting one side in the ponytail. I'm gonna take this side, and I'm actually going to do like twist it all the way down, but I'm also gonna grab hair while twisting, so it's like a French braid and a twist, but not a braid, it's a twist. Yeah. Starting, grab some hair from the top. Sorry, I'm looking into the mirror, not to the lens. And you're gonna just twist it over twice, just like that. Grab some hair from your head, twist it over, and then with that again, you're just gonna grab hair with both strands and just keep twisting and grabbing hair all the way down. So once you get to this part, this is when it gets a little bit different and possibly a bit tricky if you don't know what you're doing. You're actually going to twist both strands of your hair the opposite way which you are twisting the hair. This is going to be really confusing. I'm really bad at explaining things. So I'm going to twist these two strands of hair this way when I twist this strand, not hand. So twisting these this way, I'm going to twist this one back over. So then it gets like this rope looking effect. Nice. And then once I finish doing that, while I keep twisting the other hair, so it's a whole bunch of twisting going on at once. And then I will secure it with a hair tie. And as you can see, the twist stays just like this, and then I just go through with my fingers and just kind of like puff it up a little bit. And then I will repeat the same thing on the other side. So now that I got both my twists in, I'm just gonna go back in with my spray and just spray it all over once again, very lightly. And then I am done, and now I'm just gonna go to bed. So that's pretty much it for my night routine. I will show you a clip of my hair in the morning right here. So that's what my hair looks like in the morning. So that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys like these type of lifestyle videos, comment down below, because I'd really like to know, because I really enjoy doing them for you guys. So yeah, that's it. Good night, guys.